If you're on macOS, go to the Apple icon in the top left corner, System Settings, Bluetooth, click on Bluetooth, then hover with the cursor over the magic mouse that you have problems with and click to disconnect. Disconnect it and connect it back and see if the problem is fixed. What you can also do is to scroll down. Now, if you can't scroll, because that's why you're watching the video, click on the left tab and with the arrow keys you can scroll. And go to mouse. Click on the option and turn on natural scrolling. Or if it was turned on, then turn it off. And see with which setting it works, with which one you can scroll. What you can also do is to update your system. In the System Settings menu, search for Update. Go to Software Update and check if there are any updates to make on your Mac. I hope this video helped.